Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
And so much is happening, man. And I just grabbed Eddie Albert, a loan officer from First Republic Mortgage Bankers, out of his office right here at the Link Up Studios. Yes, he's here. He's got an office, okay, for a couple of hours. Every time he calls in, look at the phone lines blazing. It just doesn't stop. But I'm going to let you get back, Eddie Albert. But one of the things that I touch on every single day right here when we talk mortgages, which we will continue to do each and every single day as we do every single day, if that makes any sense, is people, once again, need to understand the benefits of refinancing. So let us reiterate the benefits of refinancing. We have a large amount of individuals out there, Eddie, that is saying, why should I refinance? You know, we have this mentality in our heads that we should just buy the house and keep paying it off, some of us, until it's finished paying off and that's it. People are saying, why should I even bother to refinance? I think the house expense is one thing. I shouldn't have to consolidate my expenses. I should just focus on taking care of the expenses. A lot of people believe now that they got to go get 2, 3, 4, 5 jobs. The economics of all of that. Do you guys explain that? He's coming, listen, he's on the air. Let's explain and talk to the folks about the economics of refinancing in contrast to doing another a second job, a third job, a fourth job, in contrast to taking a loan out of the bank. Some people go and take out loans at the bank to take care of their expenses when they've got their house. Let's talk about that a little bit. And I'll let you speak, seeing that you are the loan officer.
You know, a lot of people are house rich out there, Squeeze, and I kind of, it's great when I go one-on-one with them and they sit down and I actually show them the difference. Listen, whatever your monthly debt is, whether it's mortgages, student loans, credit card debt, car loans, that's debt you have to pay. That's debt that you're working every day, 1, 2, 3 jobs. But what I like to do is when I sit with clients, I educate them and say that mortgage debt is probably the best debt you're going to have. And the simple reason why mortgage debt is the one debt you want to have is, one, it's tax deductible. You will give yourself a raise when you take out a mortgage because you keep more of your paycheck. It's tax deductible. It's the only one that we have left, basically. It's one of the few we have left anyway. For the average homeowner, the interest and the taxes are tax deductible. The negative debt, I call credit card debt. Oh, the other positive thing about the mortgage debt is the interest rates are low. I mean, look at the 5.875 30-year fixed. When I tell people that we're going to change their Macy's credit card debt or Home Depot or car loan, you know, that 28-30% interest rate, we're going to transfer it to 5 7/8, and instead of paying $690 on a car payment, when you put it in a mortgage, it's $50. So, you know, it's just exchanging debt, transferring negative debt into positive debt. Yes, do you still have debt? Yes, but the bottom line is you're saving several $100s a month when you get rid of all those 7, 8, 9, 10 credit cards. So you're able to work less, give yourself a raise, try to work financially sound, work with a goal intent. The goal should be for everybody to get rid of credit card debt. Credit card companies, they don't tell you this, but everybody gets solicitations. I know I get one a day, and I tear it up and throw it out. I don't believe in having I have a credit card when I need to charge something, but I try to educate consumers out there, the listeners, that there's no reason to have 8, 10, 12, 14 cards. There's no reason why the average working person needs that many cards. Take one credit card, get the lowest interest you have, and when you need to charge something, charge it. But there's no reason to carry monthly debt month in, month out, because you're not paying the balance off. You're paying 20, 30% on this instead of 5 7/8.
It's ridiculous, you know?
It's crazy.
It's crazy. So, you know what, Eddie? You see those lines flickering there, man? Mm-hmm. They're calling for you. So I'm going to let you get back to it. But I will tell the folks, once again, we have got 2 major seminars that's coming
Absolutely.
up. Okay, 2 major seminars coming. Free home buyers seminar. No money down programs will be discussed. A lot of FHA programs, Sonny Mae programs, VA programs will be discussed. And the seminar takes place on Monday, September the 24th at 7 p.m. at the Brooklyn Marriott. And also on Tuesday, September the 25th at 7 p.m. at the Eastwood Manor. And I will be speaking at that one also.
Great. We're also going to have realtors with some South Carolina property that are going to be present. We're also going to have attorneys. So you can have all your questions answered under one umbrella. And with these condos at $150 and houses at $190, with mortgage payments as low as $700-800 a month, it doesn't get any better than that. But we're going to talk about financing properties, about refinancing. Any mortgage question you have can be answered that night. We're going to have the people there in the house.
And I will be speaking there on Tuesday at the Eastwood Manor. I want folks, once again, to show up. As a matter of fact, call and reserve your seat right now. The number is 718-380-0006. That's 718-380-0006. Once again, this is a seminar brought to you by First Republic Mortgage Bankers. Everything that you need to know about home financing, we'll be doing it Monday, September the 24th at the Brooklyn Marriott at 7 p.m. and Tuesday, September the 25th, 7 p.m. also at the Eastwood Manor in the North Bronx. That's 3371 East Chester Road. Squeeze will be on location for that. The phone line blazes here as Eddie steps out of the studios. Give him a ring right now. The number is 718-325-5555. Knowledgeably, he is, and he's ready, willing and able to explain everything that you need to understand about your situation right there. Meaning that you don't have a house, you don't refinance yet. Hey, make the link. 718-380-0006 or 718-325-5555. And with that said, I got to remind you also, John Fahim, Tony Shafiq, Shazim, they're all over there at First Republic Mortgage Bankers. They're also taking calls on that end also. The number, 718-325-5555.